Hello and afternoon. This is a sight to behold. Never before have I managed to have my dirt bike and my BMWs in the race trailer. Things have really come along with that E-track and the tire rack up front, in the middle, sorry. And let me cruise around. Getting ready for my trip to Washington to Wheel DynoWorks. And here's the engine that is broke the valve spring. And we got another engine here, ready for going to the machinist. And I got now I got 6 bins instead of the ability of just 4. So I've got 2 more now, and got some shelves. Of course, the Seattle tools. And here's the bikes, and it's freaking cold. Negative 12, 15 Celsius. I don't have the tires up here, but there's gives an example of the tire rack. And my buddy Kevin's making me an upper aluminum rack here for the helmets. And we're gonna get the generator box, custom generator box, built up on the tongue here. Anyways, guys, my hands are freezing. So that's it. One last look. Sweet motos. You can see this one without an engine. Just the perfect fit. Everything just fit perfectly with this spacing the bikes forward, spacing the dirt bike to come out first. Anyways, that's it. Blue sky.